Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to add American Express card to Apple Pay. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow these steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your American Express app, and once you're inside here, what you need to do is you'll be seeing your cards. Now what you need to do is select one of the cards that you want to add it to Apple Wallet, and once you have selected your card, here on the bottom bar you'll be seeing bunch of options. Simply tap on your account option, and once you tap on account here, what you need to do is scroll down until you find the option payment tools, and under it you'll be seeing the option that says add card to wallet and merchants. Simply tap on that, and once you tap on that, here you'll be sent to wallets and merchants, and under wallets you'll be seeing the option that says Apple Pay. Simply tap on that, and once you tap on that, here what you need to do is select the card that you want to add it to your Apple Pay wallet or Apple Wallet. Once you have selected the card, what you need to do is now enter in the security code of that selected card, and once you have entered in the code, simply tap on done. And once you do that, here now you'll find the option that says add to Apple Wallet. Simply tap on it and then follow the on-screen instructions to successfully add American Express card to Apple Pay. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.